This timeline shows the major pandemic influenza events from the early 20th century through to today. As we learned earlier, the 1918 pandemic was caused by the H1N1 strain of influenza, and it killed an estimated 40 million people worldwide in 1 year. It coincided with the end of the First World War, which in comparison only killed 8.3 million in 4 years. It's thought the virus was introduced to New Zealand by the SS Niagara, or perhaps a troop ship, in October 1918. Within 1 month, Auckland was called the City of the Dead, and there were 2 death trains per day taking the deceased to cemeteries, and 2,000 people died in just a few months.